Area forecast discussion. Jacksonville. This afternoon and evening, a mesoscale precipitation complex drifting from inland Georgia into the Suwannee River Valley remains the principal feature. Embedded convection within stratiform rain has been slow to decay, and a surface mesoload detected near Cedar Key is protracting convergence into the overnight hours. As a result, scattered showers and occasional heavy rain with embedded thunderstorms will linger overnight south of Interstate 10. Anticipate ceiling and visibility restrictions again near terminals after midnight, transitioning from residual stratiform cloud decks and showers. For pilots, lingering debris cloud decks could obscure low-altitude terrain features, and together with moisture convergence, could lead to locally heavy precipitation impacting instrument approaches. Surface winds tonight will remain west-southwesterly and humid, holding low temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. The slow progression of this mesolo and nocturnal rainfall underscores a prolongation of convective potential well into the night, atypical for a coastal plain until late spring. Area forecast discussion. Melbourne. The day begins under building mid-level ridging and high humidity, with precipitable water values sustaining at levels near record afternoon values. This has fostered robust diurnal convection, particularly inland, with afternoon thunderstorms expected to be slow-moving. These storms are capable of producing wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour, frequent lightning, and intense rainfall rates that can lead to ponding on taxiways and ramp surfaces. The combination of weak steering flow and rich moisture content raises the potential for minor flooding near field perimeters. A coastal east coast ridge is likely inhibiting inland outflow, concentrating convection over mid-peninsula sectors. Runway closures from localized heavy downpours may occur. By midweek, storm coverage will likely increase, reinforcing these hazards. Aviation operations should prepare for gusty outflow winds, frequent lightning grounding, and abrupt ceiling reductions in thunderstorms. Area forecast discussion. Tampa. Early this evening, radar shows widely scattered showers and embedded thunderstorms over southern parts of the Tampa Bay forecast area, along with light shower bands across the Nature Coast. This activity is expected to gradually dissipate as nocturnal stabilization weakens vertical motion. A weak tropical upper tropospheric trough meandering overhead is sustaining isolated showers through the night over coastal waters and adjacent land. The focus remains offshore for southern sectors, while land areas north of Tampa may still experience showers in the overnight hours. Be aware of erratic gusts near shower cores and brief low cloud ceilings. On Tuesday, a southwesterly flow will direct Gulf origin convection ashore late morning, followed by sea breeze thunderstorms inland by afternoon. Complex upstream and mesoscale boundaries will support strong storms by late day. A stalled frontal boundary over North Florida and Gulf Stream may later this week elevate rainfall potential, possibly generating tropical low pressure. Scenarios like this underpin the need for flexible flight schedules and close tracking of marine convective outflows. Area forecast discussion. Miami, South Florida. In South Florida, abundant low-level moisture advected northward ahead of an offshore Atlantic surface. High has driven early morning coastal showers, with scattered thunderstorms building inland through the day. These storms will develop along the sea breeze around midday, then propagate west toward Gulf Coast terminals late afternoon. Expect strong low-level inflow behind storm outflows, with gusts reaching 20 knots. Convective outflow will likely override land-sea breeze boundaries, creating abrupt shifts in wind speed and direction that can impact climb gradients and descent planning. On Tuesday, southeasterly flow focuses eventual convection inland, but storms may again hinge on the Gulf breeze boundary by late afternoon. Low ceilings and visibilities in heavy precipitation should be anticipated. Upper air ridging aloft has capped deep convection vertically, keeping thunderstorms sub-severe but with high lightning rates and gusty downdrafts. Summary of the peninsula's weather. The Florida Peninsula is engaged in a classic summertime pattern. A stationary or slowly drifting Atlantic surface high, abundant deep moisture, diurnal sea breeze convergence, and transient synoptic scale features such as upper ridges, mesolos, or tropical upper troughs. These ingredients yield daily thunderstorms, frequently slow-moving with significant lightning, gusty outflow, and high rain totals. Coastal flight operations can expect varying sea breeze inflow and convective boundary collisions, leading to abrupt gust shifts and precipitation-driven visibility and ceiling reductions.